So what I was saying is, I think the first video was not full. Some parts were cut off. So you come to Windows, click this Windows sign, go to settings, click settings. Then you go to system. You click system. And under system, just scroll down till you get to this menu about. Click it. And you see the information about your system. So this is what you're looking for. Device name. This name here. So your own should be Dell Latitude something. I don't remember. So that's the name you would write on your Google search and ask for the battery. Battery of the name of your laptop. You get the battery. You can check Jumia. I think they would have your type of battery there. So that's it.